If you love collecting recipes but hate losing track of them, then this video is for you. Today, I'll show you how to use Google Keep to organize all your favorite recipes in one place. Whether you're a home cook experimenting with new dishes or just trying to make meal planning easier, Google Keep is a simple but powerful tool that can transform the way you manage your recipes. To get started, open your browser and head to keep.google.com. This is Google's digital notepad, perfect for saving ideas, tasks, and of course, recipes. Once you're in, click on the Take a Note field or the New List option to create your first recipe note. Now, there are two ways to save recipes in Google Keep. The first is by pasting the link to a recipe you found online. Just copy the URL from the recipe page, paste it into your note, and add a title or short description like spaghetti carbonara, creamy pasta. This makes it easy to recognize and revisit later. The second way is to copy the full recipe details, ingredients, instructions, and any notes you want, and paste them directly into your Keep note. This way, even if the website disappears, you'll still have the recipe stored safely in your collection. To keep things organized, use titles, bullet points, or even labels like desserts, weeknight meals, or vegetarian. That way, you can search and filter recipes quickly whenever you're deciding what to cook. For an even faster workflow, you can install the Google Keep Chrome extension. Once it's added to your browser, you'll see a small Keep icon in the toolbar. Whenever you're browsing a recipe you want to save, just click the icon and it instantly creates a new note in your Google Keep. No copy pasting needed. The best part? Google Keep syncs across all your devices, so you can pull up your recipes from your phone, tablet, or computer anytime you need them, whether you're cooking in the kitchen or grocery shopping. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you'll build your own digital recipe library that's tidy, searchable, and always accessible. Give it a try, and you might never lose track of a great recipe again. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on making everyday tools work smarter for you. Happy cooking,